Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You begin by confirming the Google account you want linked to YouTube Premium. This is important because purchases tie to that account. Once done, make sure your S23 Ultra has stable Wi-Fi or 4G/5G and enough battery to avoid interruptions. Next, open the YouTube app and tap your profile icon at the top right to access settings. This gets you into the right account quickly. From here, you're ready to find the membership option without unnecessary navigation. Move directly to subscriptions. You should now tap paid memberships, then select YouTube Premium. This is how you start the purchase flow. Choose the appropriate plan, individual or family, because family adds multiple users and requires a Google Family group. Make sure your payment method is correct and authorized, then confirm the subscription. Once active, go to Settings, Background, and Downloads to enable downloads and background play so videos keep running when you switch apps. Also enable ad-free to remove interruptions. These settings optimize the premium experience. Now test key premium features. Download a video using the three-dot menu and pick download quality for storage control, and then try background play or picture-in-picture by switching apps. If PIP does not appear, check System Settings Apps YouTube Picture-in-Picture. If something goes wrong, clear the app cache or sign out and sign back in to refresh account tokens. If payments fail, verify card details and Google Play balance. Following these final steps ensures full premium functionality on your S23 Ultra.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.